Waste is so much more than just a byproduct of industrial production. It is a massive opportunity. I am Marika Björnum, Head of Purchasing here at Stena Recycling Sweden. Stena Recycling was started over 80 years ago as a small local scrap dealer. Today, it is the leading recycling company in Sweden. We recycle the most complex materials and products from cars to batteries to plastics and electronics. Over 3.6 million tons of materials every year. Since our business is all about sustainability, we try our best to use machines that don't rely on fossil fuels when possible. That's why we use Volvo Construction Equipment's electric machines to get the job done. This Volvo machine is 100% electric and produces 0 emissions. This means a CO2 reduction of about 21 tons per year compared to a diesel machine. It is also more efficient, with energy costs reduced by 83% per year. This Volvo ECR25 has been working for more than 3,000 hours and moves around 20 tons of plastics daily. If we stacked up the material this machine moves, in just 1 week it would be taller than the Eiffel Tower. Isn't that amazing? We only charge this machine on short coffee breaks and between loading cycles. And that's all it needs. Our vision is to replace the use of virgin materials with recycled raw materials across industries. It's great to partner with Volvo CE for our equipment, because we share a commitment to build a better, more circular and sustainable world.